Hello and welcome back to this channel. So today's tutorial is going to be how to do this floral composition, and we're going to draw some cute bees in Procreate. So let's just get started. I'll be using a watercolor texture paper to add to this illustration. If you want to know how to add this to your illustration, go check out my video tutorial in the link below. If you want to sketch or the color palette for this illustration, there is a link in the description box below as well. Okay, so let's just get started. So I'm going to click on this plus and choose a square so that we can post it to Instagram if you want to. And then in here, let's go ahead and bring in the sketch. You don't really need the sketch, but it's always good to have one. So once you have the sketch, click on this arrow here to place it on your artboard. Let's go ahead and click on this N here and reduce the opacity. And also make sure you click the blend mode to multiply so that the background goes away. If you hear some noises, that's my baby on my lap, so please ignore that. Okay, so let's just start illustrating. So first of all, the brush that I'm going to use is under calligraphy, and it's a blotchy brush, and it's one of my favorite brushes right now. And the color palette, you can find the color palette in the description box below, so go ahead and download it. So let's start off by using the pink flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer. The brush setting is kept at maximum. I'm just going to go ahead and draw these florals like this first. And next, I'm going to go ahead and click on this selection tool right here and try to draw a petal like this or a flower like this. And I'll use the same brush. I'll just go ahead and color it. And click on that again so that it goes away. So I'll do the same technique and create two more florals. Click on a new layer. Click on this blue or bluish green. Let's go ahead and draw this. One thing you should know about this brush is that when you lift and draw, it creates a different color. You can actually bring this below the pink layer. Now let's do the yellow one. Go ahead and go to the blue layer, click on a new layer. Now let's do the buds. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a new layer. You can also use the same layer if you want. Let's do the yellow ones. So draw this first, like this. Draw patterns like this and bring it and join in. Use your brush to color it off. Let's go ahead and do the other patterns by creating a new layer. Make sure you uncheck the selection tool. Another layer, uncheck, brush, check the pink one, brush. Okay, that's done as well. And now let's go ahead and add the stalks to this. So uncheck that and let's choose this green and let's choose the same brush as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw this like that. You might not see it on blue so much. That's why it looks like that. You can actually bring the yellow flower all the way up. The blue one as well here. And now it should be fine. And let's add the leaves as well. So for leaves, I'm going to go ahead and draw this first and then I'm going to color the leaf. So what it does is it creates a darker version of the green there. You can use your two-finger tap to undo anything. Okay, so our leaves are ready, but we're not done yet. I'm going to add some outline of the leaves, and I'm reducing it to about 35%. Like that. You can also add outlines to existing leaves if you want. Okay, now it's time to add the flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a new layer. Let's start off with the pink flowers, and we can go ahead and add them wherever you want. So you can increase the size here to about 50%. You can also make sure that it's all the way up and then use that to color as well. And make sure you add a center so that it's darker. Add one here. Select the blue. Okay, and now let's add the bees. So go all the way up and click on a new layer. So your bee is going to be just a one thing like this. You can make it darker. And here. And here. You can draw really fat ones. And then let's choose the brown. And for brown, I'm going to reduce it. Maybe, yeah, about 18%. And you just draw like this, and then you can do two thingies and an eye like that. That is like that, two thingy and an eye. You can also use black, by the way. Let's go ahead and uncheck the sketch. Okay, so artwork is almost ready. Let's go ahead and add the texture. If you want to know how to add texture, I have a tutorial on that. I'll link it in the description box below. You can also find the texture that I'm using here, so you can go ahead and download that as well. Our texture is done as well, and now if you want, you can add minor details to it. Like you can go ahead and choose a different layer, go to any color that you want, and I'm going to choose the brown that I have. I'm going to add some blotches here, maybe make it a bit bigger. And you can also go ahead and add things like this. There you go. And then to top it off, if you want to make your florals better, you can use the black, add a bit of shadow like this, so that we know that that's the center of the flower. Okay, so once you're done, you can export it by clicking on this wrench, share, and export it as a PNG or JPEG or whatever you like. And that's as simple as that. And we are done with the illustration. I hope you like this simple video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can always support me by buying me a coffee at ko-fi.com. The link is in the description box below. You can also support me in other ways by sharing this tutorial with your friends or anybody who is interested in learning about Procreate. I guess I'll see you in the next video then. Bye bye.